Hi children, a pleasant very good morning to all. I hope that understood the yesterday class. So now continuation the class. Yesterday do the one problem only. Today next continuation is the example to second problem. Okay, listen carefully. Once again repeating the introduction of similar triangle. Okay, so already we learned in the rules for similar triangles, similarity and congruent. Okay, so example 2, next example 2. In the given figure, LM parallel AB, AL equal to x minus 3, AC equal to 2x, BM equal to x minus 2, BC equal to 2x plus 3. Find the x value. Okay, once look at the figure children. Here ABC or figure are given, triangle ABC. So here any two sides are parallel and draw the LM. Okay, so here AC equal to, look here, AC equal to AL plus LC. Okay, BC equal to BM plus MC. Okay children, it is the based on the diagram of equation. Okay, here solution. So in triangle ABC, LM parallel AB. So here AL by LC equal to BM by MC by using BPT. BPT means basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so here look here, AL by LC already given that AL by LC already given that AL. Here AL equal to x minus, substituting the equations, AL equal to x minus 3 by LC equal to BM already here given that x minus 2 by MC. This is the equation 1. Okay, so here already we will write the here based on the diagram, LC equal to AC minus AL, LC equal to total distance minus AL distance. So LC equal to AC minus AL, and MC equal to total distance minus some distance BM. Okay, MC equal to BC minus BM. So here substitute the equation 1. Okay, x minus 3 by AC minus AL equal to x minus 2 by BC minus BM. So here x minus 3 by AC means 2x, already given that, minus AL minus x minus 3 equal to x minus 2 by 2x plus 3 minus x minus 2. Then multiply the inside in minus x minus 3 by 2x minus into x minus into minus plus into 3 equal to x minus 2 by 2x plus 3 minus x minus into minus plus 2. Okay, this is the equation. Next one. So here x minus 3 by x plus 3 equal to x minus 2 by x plus y. Then I will do the cross multiplication. Then cross multiplication, x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to x minus 2 into x plus 3. Then here x into x plus 5 minus 3 into x plus y equal to x into x plus 3 minus 2 into x plus 3. Equation of x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 equal to x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. X square plus 2x minus 15 equal to x square plus x minus 6. 2x minus x equal to x minus 6 plus 15 equal to 9. Therefore x equal to 9. Then find the only x value. When substitute of the all distance, AL equal to x minus 3, 9 minus 3 equal to 6 units. AC equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 9, 18 units. And BM equal to x minus 2, 9 minus 2 equal to 7 units. BC equal to 2x plus 3, 2 into 9 plus 3 equal to 18 plus 3, 21 units. These are already given the measurement of in the problems. Okay, did you understand? So next, yesterday I explained the one problem. Okay, yesterday I explained the one problem. Next is the second one. So it is two problems based, do the remaining problems are homework. Already I wrote that. Afterwards I given the pics. Okay, next it is very very important of converse the basic proportionality theorem. Converse the basic proportionality theorem. Once observe the statement, already I told to you. So maintenance should be, any theorem maintenance should be, you write the 5 points. What are that? Statement, given that, prove that, construction and proof. Okay children, already yesterday I told to you. Okay, now I explain the statement. If a line divides two sides of a triangle, if a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, both sides same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. You have to take the any two sides, or like this AB or AC or AB and BC. Your wish, you have to take the any two lines. You draw the line, the parallel line. Okay, that the ratio, then the line parallel to the third side. You have to take the any parallel line equal to the third side. Okay children. Okay, here given that, what we write here, given that, what is given the statement, then you write the equation. Okay, in triangle ABC, a line DE is draw parallel line. Here triangle A, I have to take the triangle ABC and draw the triangle DE. Parallel line is such that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. What is the proof? That the ratio is the same ratio, sides of a triangle in the same ratio. So AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Okay children. Next, prove that. What is prove that? Then the line is parallel to the third side. So you have take the, what we have take that parallel line DE, then that is parallel to DE parallel BC. Prove that. Okay, construction, what we have to take the construction here, write the, what you draw the diagram of you another extra lines. What we take here, extra line, draw the line DE dash. Here look here, dotted lines. I have to take the construction DE dash, that is a dotted lines. It is a construction. I have to take the extra parallel line. Okay, DE dash. Okay, here now next proof. Assume that DE not parallel to BC, the symbol is not parallel to BC, then such that draw DE dash parallel BC. Actually given that here DE parallel BC. Now did not possible of DE parallel BC. Here write DE not parallel to BC. Just you try the DE dash parallel BC, or possible or not. Once prove that. Okay, so here I write here the equation. It is based on the diagram. AC equal to AE dash plus, now here DE not there, just only construction of DE dash. So AE dash plus E dash C. It means of complement or E dash. You read as E complement or E dash. Okay, so AE complement plus E complement C. Okay, next AB equal to AD plus DB. Okay children. Okay, next. So by using the basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB equal to AE complement by E complement C. It is the equation 1. It is the equation 1. Next, but given that AD by DB equal to AE by EC, given that, what is the given that here? Such that AD by DB equal to AE by EC, in the based on the diagram AD by DB equal to A complement by E complement of C, equation 1, given that equation 2. Okay, then here 1 and 2 equation, from 1 and 2 AD by DB is equal, so AE complement by E complement C equal to AE by EC. Okay, from equation 1 and 2, adding 1 on both sides, adding 1 on both sides, AE complement by E complement C plus 1 equal to AE plus EC plus 1, adding on the both sides. Now you do the LCM. AE complement plus E complement C by E complement C equal to AE plus EC by EC. Okay children, here already I wrote that AE complement plus E complement C equal to AC, AE plus EC equal to AC based on the diagram. Okay children, then substitute the equation. AC by E complement C equal to AC by EC. Here AC cancel 1 by E complement C equal to 1 by EC. Cross multiplication CE equal to C E complement or EC equal to E complement C. So it is the proof that it is a true. It is a true? No, it is. This is a false. What we write here? What we write here? Actually, in the proof that AE plus AE equal to AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Then here DE parallel, then only DE parallel BC. But here the diagram construction, you have to take the extra line, construction of extra DE dash. It is not possible of parallel lines. Okay, so this is a false. To make its true E and E complement must coincide. Did you understand? To make it true E and E dash must coincide. Our assumption is wrong. So therefore DE parallel BC. Therefore DE parallel BC. Okay children, it is a converse basic proportionality theorem. Okay. Next, example 3. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at a point A such that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay children, in previous classes to learn the quadrilateral, we learn the quadrilateral rules for quadrilateral and trapezium. Okay, so here in the diagonals of quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, here solution. Already draw the diagram here. Once look at the ABCD is a quadrilateral and AC and BD are a diagonals. The two diagonals intersect the one point, that is a O. The two diagonals are intersect meet a one point, that is a O. Now here draw the diagram in the extra line. It is a construction. It is a construction X line. Okay, because of it is a parallel to AB and parallel to DC. Okay, did you understand? Okay, right. Next, solution. Given that in a what are the given that in the statement in quadrilateral ABCD AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Here AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Okay, prove that ABCD is a trapezium. What we prove that ABCD is a trapezium. So construction here. Through O, draw a line parallel to AB which meets DA at X. Okay, in the line of intersect meet the at X. Okay, did you understand construction? What we write here construction? What we draw the diagram of extra line, then you write here construction. Okay children. Okay, next one, proof. Next one is the proof. In triangle DAB, already here I draw the separately diagram. Okay, ADB, it is a parallel AB parallel XO parallel AB. I draw the separately diagram. Okay children, here triangle DAB parallel DAB diagram, here XO parallel AB. Okay children, by using of BPT theorem. BPT means basic proportionality. dx by xa equal to do by OB. So here the inverse do. Inverse means 1 by ax by xd equal to bo by od. It is the equation 1. Okay, next already given that AO by BO equal to CO by OD. By the diagram alternate. So then you do the alternate AO by OC equal to BO by OD. It is the equation 2. Here already given that the trapezium rules for trapezium. Okay, it is a remember it. This point of remember is we learned in the previous class 6th, 7th, 8th class also we learned to the rules for trapezium, rules for parallelogram, rules for rhombus. All are we learn. Yes, by the diagram it is alternate to. So from equation 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, ax by xd equal to AO by OC. Here, okay. So next one, in triangle ADC, XO is a line such that here I draw the separately diagram. Okay, ADC. So then here XO is parallel to DC such that XO parallel to DC. AX by XD is equal to AO by OC. It is a take the basic proportionality theorem. By the basic proportionality theorem. Okay, XO parallel DC at the same time. In the total diagram at the same time AB parallel DC. So in quadrilateral ABCD, so AB parallel DC, also ABCD is a trapezium. Hence what is that rules for trapezium? One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Okay children, so here the diagram opposite sides in the ABCD is a quadrilateral opposite sides. Not only AD equal to BC, only AB parallel to DC. These are only parallel because of DC line produce the line. It is like this only produced parallel to AB. AB line also produced and DC line also produced. No need of intersect any place. That is a AB and DC are a parallel lines. Okay, so it is a one pair of opposite sides or parallel. That is a rules for trapezium. Therefore ABCD is a trapezium. Did you understand children? Okay, it is hence prove that. Okay children, next class today class are completed. I given the homework. All are do the homework, and who are completed done the homework must and should keep the pics. Send me. Okay children. Okay. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you children. Have a nice day.